And skies are partly cloudy across southeast Texas this Saturday evening on our Roofing 911 Skycam network over in Lake Charles, sponsored by Market Basket. Been a very warm day, mid 80s for highs, but as we talked about last week, the wind and more clouds keeping us well under 90 degrees, and weather impact day still looking likely for late Tuesday night into Wednesday. Not expecting any severe weather, but some 1 to 2 inch rains will be possible coming up late Tuesday night into Wednesday as a series of upper level disturbances begin to work in to the area. Generally windy, humid again for tomorrow. We'll have a slight chance of showers Monday and Tuesday. As we said, the best chance will be Wednesday, and then still a chance even on Thursday and Friday of next week. We're running around 80 right now, 84 up in Jasper. And our weather watcher, sponsored by Beaumont and Mercy Hospital. Deborah in Port Arthur at 84, and in Jasper also at 84 degrees. Temperatures across the rest of the state have been hot, especially in the west. 100 in Pecos, approaching 100 in northwest Texas around Lubbock and Childress. Things pretty quiet across the state. Notice the deeper moisture to our south slowly creeping this way. So we'll have a 10% coverage of showers tomorrow, up to 20% for Monday, and some high clouds across southwestern Texas. In the upper levels, here come our rain chances though. Notice the storm track has been well to our north the last several days. High pressure to our south. And as we put this into motion, the moisture starts to increase tomorrow, but not much rain expected tomorrow through Tuesday. But as we head into Tuesday night, Wednesday, look at the disturbance coming in from the west here. That's a pretty strong disturbance there. That'll work in Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, giving us that good chance of rain and a few thunderstorms. Be another one, maybe a little break on Thursday. Still a chance of rain Thursday though. And here's the next one coming in for Friday. Expected rainfall totals out of these disturbances next week between, let's say, Wednesday morning and next Thursday night. Some 1 to 2.5 inch rains will be possible. Now this will change some. It'll go up and down. Of course, we'll have an update on this coming up again tomorrow and Monday, but rain chances looking pretty good toward the middle and end of next week. Tonight, just breezy, warm and humid, some low clouds filling in, no real rain expected tonight. Once again, about a 10% coverage of a shower tomorrow, low to mid 80s for highs, pretty windy the next few days as well. And in the rest of the afternoon, we should reach, as I said, the mid 80s tomorrow evening, in the upper 70s. Now offshore, not a great marine forecast because it's going to be pretty windy. Southeast winds up to about 20 knots. Water temperature at 80. Tonight becoming mostly cloudy, lows in the low to mid 70s. So yay. Warm and humid night. Tomorrow partly sunny, windy, warm and humid. Very small coverage of a shower tomorrow possible at 10%. And that will jump to a 20% coverage Monday and Tuesday. But late Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll have that 70% coverage of showers and thunderstorms. Weather impact there for Wednesday. A little bit less on Thursday, but still a good chance there. And another good chance on Friday. So Ebony had wet weather last week, dry this week, wet weather this week coming up starting on Wednesday.
Carrie, I was on Daybreak last week, so last week was a blur because y'all know Daybreak, you watch Tia and Mark in the morning. We were up at like from midnight to 6, 8 a.m. So
that's a blur.
I'm trying to, yeah. I'm just now getting my bearings back.
You'll get them back. That's
yeah.
good.
But it was actually nice to be back on weekends, you know.
It
between
is
Daybreak
great to have you back.
I know, and Holton. Speaking of Holton, we're going to toss it to him and see a